Hey, what's going on? If you're interested in getting more customers, more clients, Greensboro, North Carolina, I will be contacting everybody. I'm only going to allow 2 people in the city to use this tool if you're interested. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a web page or a landing page already. This would be something in addition to that. And if you don't have one, of course, and this is perfect, this is a way to just leapfrog ahead of where you are currently at. Ooh, this is carpetviz.com. But it's also carpetinstallersgreensboro.com. Now, this is a funnel. This is designed to help you build your email list and help you make more sales. You can easily advertise it. By the way, I have creatives that's already built to help you, but you can easily advertise it and send them here. You can advertise the quiz if you wanted to. And what this quiz does is ask them what their situation is. And then based on their situation, the type of carpet that might be more suitable for them. And they get that upfront and free before even asking them for their email or anything. And they have the opportunity to share this on social media. You might find it cute. But then also double your carpet lifespan. This is a well put together guide that they can get. And then, of course, they'll have to enter their email address and name, and then they get to click this button if they would like a free in-home measurement so that they can get accurate estimate. I'll show you this guide. So this is very nice. This is what they would get for their email. And by the way, here are some of the creatives.
Quiz, visualizer, and quote generator landing page to get more leads and convert them into happier customers.
That one I'll be running to find some of you guys.
Take this quiz to find the perfect carpet match for your lifestyle and personality.
So that's just a short video for your customers. And so there's levels to this. If you're just interested in licensing the tool to get customers, we'll do that. If you're interested in buying the whole thing and you run this operation, then we'll talk about that. But now let's get back over here. Send the button, you get the guide, and of course the email will go into, depending on your situation, if you already have a CRM and everything, then we will connect it to your CRM. Now, if you need a CRM, we also have the back end for that as well. So now if you have a customer that comes here, or if you have someone coming here actually looking to see if there is a tool that they can use that allows them to see the carpet on the floor, then we have that as part of the site. Of course, if you have carpet, then you need to upload it here. You choose from the carpet, and then you upload a image. So now you just click the generate button to see what the carpet looks like in the room. And if it doesn't cover the area you want, then you can just regenerate it. You'll be able to log in and change the settings for all of this stuff, the price of the carpet, change what you want to show up here. You can actually put special offers up here if you want to. You would just come down here. Here's the banner. You just upload images that you want to show up there that is for sale. And this is the text that's on the banner that you can change. All of this stuff you can change, of course. Here you need to put in your own API keys. You want us to do, we'll customize things for you. I'm just showing you what's here now, how it operates. So when someone fills out a form, you'll get the information in here as well as it can go out to a CRM. But it's also a self-contained mini micro CRM where you can come in here and change the status of these people. Just click, give it a look. And so once people get up into your system, because this is a little mini light CRM in case you don't want to use any more tools, then you can have this set for must call. And then once they are called, then you might have them scheduled for an appointment. And then after the appointment, then you might say the appointment is completed. And then they might just be in limbo, or you might say the job is approved. So we have that there set up. And so the timeline is going to determine what the priority is. Let's see what else we got. Testimonials. We have a way for after you do the work for them, then you will this link where they can upload their testimonials. It's a little blurb, and they can also upload a video. And now the reason that is good, of course, is because the more testimonials you got, then the quicker someone is likely to choose you to do the work. And so, this is a quick demo of if you got here through from local to legendary, then you just click on the button down here to get in touch with us. If you got here from carpet installer apps, then you can go down here and click on the form down here to get in touch. All right. I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.